Gabi po sa inyong lahat. Bago ko sasabihin, gusto ko sabihin, I just want to invite everyone to please catch our play Choosing. It's a very beautiful story and I'm sure everybody could resonate to that story. We're running tomorrow, June 30, July 6 and 7 at the Power Max Spotlight Theater at Circuit Makati. So sana po punoorin ninyo. So sasabihin ko rin gusto ko sabihin. It just feels so good and empowering because I started doon sa panahon na being LGBT is hindi lang from the point, but taboo, especially in the industry. But siguro having people like you na nag-continue yung support, yun yung nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob sa akin to just push forth. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. I want to thank my wife for always encouraging me to do better every day. I love you, sweetheart. Maraming salamat.